That is how the Bharat Mata chants are blocked, family slogans instead raised at the Congress's Rajasthan campaign.
Sonia Gandhi Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi Zindabad!
Bharat Mata Ki Jai is replaced by Sonia Rahul Zindabad. The most controversial video is putting the Congress tonight in a fix. This election season, will the Congress have any answers?
ये फेक वीडियो है। भारत माता की जय हो, भारत माता की जय हो, भारत माता की जय हो, भारत माता की जय हो कराने वाले तो कांग्रेस ही थे।
The Congress is on the back foot. Congress leader seen in the video today is calling this fake. The BJP instead calls it Congress's India is Indira, Indira is India moment. A very good evening. The show is called The Burning Question and I'm Deepthi Sachdeva with you. Almost every election season, viewers, you will have so many controversies. But this one controversy will find its place, I think, in the voters' mind because this is about the Congress party and that blatant disregard when it comes to symbols of national pride. Yes, we are talking of the Bharat Mata Ki chant video. This entire video has been doing the rounds on the social media. I'm sure a lot of you must have already watched it. We'll just put that out full frame also on our screens for you to begin looking at that video. Hear it very closely, see it very closely. The man that you see there, heavy garlanded, is a Congress Neta. He comes to Bikaner. This is again West Rajasthan, where he's campaigning. And that particular moment is when this gentleman, again in the red kurta, is stopped and instead listen in to what happens.
Bharat Mata Sonia Gandhi Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi Zindabad! Ahmed Patel Zindabad! Sachin Pilot Zindabad! Ramesh Sardudi Zindabad! Ashok Gehlot Zindabad! Kumari Selja Zindabad! BD Kal.
So Rahul Gandhi Zindabad, Sonia Gandhi Zindabad. Those are the slogans that are chanted instead of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. This is asking us a few questions tonight. The first question on your screens is the family first for the Congress party. Does this video again reinforce what you're hearing from the BJP in particular, saying that this is a party that only believes in dynasty? Putting out the second question on your screens, India is Indira, Indira is India moment. You've heard that slogan earlier. The BJP today is putting it back on the doorsteps of the Congress party. Will the Congress party respond to that? Not sure. The third and the most important question, national pride, is that not important for the Congress party? Is this convenient politics? Will the Congress use symbols of nationalism, of national pride, only when it suits them? Before we actually begin the debate and take that question to our panel of guests, we first put out something that we've seen earlier also. This was during the Vande Mataram chant. Look closely. Rahul Gandhi was also nudged. People did tell him, you need to stand up because Vande Mataram is being played.
Bharat Mata Sonia Gandhi Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi Zindabad! Ahmed Patel Zindabad! Sachin Pilot Zindabad! Ramesh Sardudi Zindabad! Ashok Gehlot Zindabad! Kumari Selja Zindabad!
So the Congress has a history whenever it comes to symbols of national pride. But why? What is it that the Congress party really wants to reinforce with such symbolism? I say good evening to our panel of guests joining us. Nupur Sharma is a leader of the BJP. She is joining us from the national capital. Gulresh Sheikh is an RSS thinker joining us from Ujjain on the broadcast. Vikas Gupta is a lawyer in the Supreme Court. I'm not sure whether, Vikas, you will be able to defend the Congress party tonight. Dinesh Vashne is a leader of the CPI. He has some interesting take on that video. Abdul Razak Khan is a political analyst, leans towards the JDS, and also waiting for Dr. S.K. Datta, who's a political analyst, to join us and complete our panel. And I'll take it first to Vikas. Vikas, have you seen that video? What is the problem in saying Bharat Mata Ki Jai? Is it criminal? Is it problematic?
No, Deepthi, not at all, but I really doubt the authenticity of the video.
So you're saying it's fake?
No, I'm not saying it's fake. I really doubt the authenticity of the tape. One thing, Deepthi, which I need to make it absolutely clear to you, you put out a question on your screen. No matter which governments will keep coming and going, parties will win election, will lose, leaders will come and go. But one thing is important, India will always remain India. That is one thing which I wanted to make very, very clear.
But does the Congress party believe in that?
Let's not, chanting something or not, these rhetorics will not make the issues real, compelling issues in the elections will not go on the back track.
This is not important.
I think this is not important. What Deepthi today is important is unemployment, which is at a 20-year high today. Farmer distress is important. Economy in shambles. I think those are the
I think is already willing to jump in. And Vikas, I just want to put in a little context. I'm not sure how true that is, Nupur. But, people from the BJP only have put out this entire video. And the Congress alleges that this is fake. Even Vikas says that this is the dirty tricks department of the BJP already in overdrive.
Absolute rubbish. Then they might actually want to put out the actual video, because one can clearly see that the candidate is there, and as soon as the Karyakarta or whosoever that volunteer is starts to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, this is not Jai for anything else but for our country, he stopped midway and he's asked to actually eulogize the Gandhi Parivar over the country. The reality of the Congress party is this is not the first time we're seeing this. Let's not forget Rahul Gandhi, who actually kept sitting when Vande Mataram was playing. This is earlier during Karnataka assembly elections, and gestured and pointed to his wristwatch to finish Vande Mataram within one line. That's the national song.
We remember that, Nupur, and we are putting out the entire image also on our screens. And very quickly then, Nupur, I know that you'll have lots to take on today to the Congress party, but 1 second, Dinesh Vashne, is this justified? What is the Congress party doing? Is this convenient politics because they realize that the particular constituency where this, Congress Neta was standing was a minority-dominated constituency, so they decided nahi bolte hai Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Instead, Rahul Gandhi Zindabad, Sonia Gandhi Zindabad bolte hai, Dinesh.
First of all, Deepthi, chanting a slogan of Bharat Mata Ki Jai or Hindustan Jindabad or Jai Hind or Inqilab Jindabad is not a crime. Number two, I must inform the people of India through Republic TV that Hasrat Mohani, who was a leader of the CPI at the time of the independence struggle, was the first to propose the complete independence resolution. And after proposing, he shouted slogan Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Inqilab Jindabad,
But why does the Congress party at that point, Dinesh?
Look.
Dinesh, I have a very limited question. I want everyone to come in here. A lot of our viewers also have been writing on that video, Dinesh. And then I'll get an Abdul Razak Khan also. What is the problem? Why in that moment is that Karyakarta nudged? Unko roka kyun jata hai? And then why does he begin saying Sonia Gandhi ki jai? Why does he say Rahul Gandhi Zindabad?
That can be seen when BJP says Har Har Modi, Ghar Ghar Modi. Everybody know what is the meaning of Har Har.
But the Congress says it's not like the BJP. It believes in the politics of love. It believes in the politics of love.
They want to divinize everything. We are against divinization of state. That the Bharat Mata are also those ladies whose son and daughters have lost the job because of failure of demonetization.
No, you're taking this a step ahead.
Because have said that 35 lakh people have lost their job. The unemployment is the highest.
We'll debate that. We'll debate that. This is an election season, Dinesh. We'll have lots to talk.
If anybody who has not shouted the Bharat Mata Ki Jai during the independence struggle was the RSS and Hindu Mahasabha.
No. 1 second.
Britain ki Maharani Jindabad.
Dinesh.
They were not shouting shouting the
you do,
Bharat
bhai?
Mata ki
Dinesh,
Jai?
but in today's time,
You
in
went
today's
with
time,
China
Gurrez,
in
I know you want to come in, but
you demoted your own deputy
Nupur,
CM.
just allow me 10 seconds because I quickly
Apni
want to
baat
take it
karo,
to Abdul
where is
Razak
your
Khan.
patriotism?
Abdul Razak Khan, very famously, Rahul
Talk
Gandhi,
about
when he was
yourself.
speaking at Berkeley, he said India is
Anti-India
run
party.
on dynasty. सब कुछ dynasty से चलता है. There is no merit. And Abdul Razak Khan, the Congress is proving that point again and again. Everything in the Congress is only about the Gandhis. Gandhis is only something that matters.
Deepthi, let us not get into whether the video was fake or real. Even if it was to be real, what is wrong? Come on, it is not Independence Day or Republic Day or Martyrs Day or Flag Day or Army Day. It's an election campaign where you shout for the leader, where you shout for somebody who is contesting election. I have seen election campaigns where people say Modi, Modi, Har Har Modi, Ghar Ghar Modi. Come on, you are equating a human being with the Lord. That is not a problem for you.
नहीं नहीं
Because
नहीं
the
Abdul
BJP
Razak
say
Khan,
Bharat
Abdul
Mata ki
Razak
Jai
Khan.
in their election campaigns. They shout
I just
about
want
the
to
leaders.
raise one more important point here. Abdul Razak Khan, you can do that. I don't think no one is stopping
Okay.
you from doing that. But Nupur, the real problem is when that Karyakarta is coming out to say Bharat Mata ki Jai, unko beech mein roka jata hai. He is stopped. Because that Neta realizes that there is
Haan,
no
it's enough.
constituency
He said
in that
Bharat Mata ki
moment
Jai.
to cater to that
The real
slogan.
nationalism is
इसलिए
not
slogan
about shouting
बदल देते
Bharat
हैं.
Mata ki Jai.
Otherwise हमें बोला जाता है कि
When
राहुल
there
गांधी
is-
मंदिर जाएंगे. He
One
goes
second,
temple hopping.
Mr.
He's a Janayudari Shiv Bhakt.
It is
No,
election. Now Congress supporters will speak about Congress
Please,
leaders.
can I come in?
What is wrong?
Allow me to come in, Mr. Khan.
What is
Mr.
wrong?
Khan, मैं ऊपर हूँ, आप मेरे ऊपर नहीं बोलेंगे. Please, मैं आपके ऊपर
Yes,
नहीं बोल रही
Nupur,
थी.
please.
You are wrong. The fact is that most of you are so taken in by the Ichchadhari Chunavi Bhartiyata and more often than not the Ichchadhari Chunavi Hindutva of Rahul Gandhi that you want to live in denial. You don't want to see the video where Bharat Mata ki Jai के पहले ही उसे
Stop
रोका जा
giving
रहा है.
certificates
अरे आपको
for
सोनिया राहुल की
faith.
जयकार
Stop
करनी है,
giving
करो.
certificates
और
on
भारत माता की जय के
nationalism.
बीच में आप क्यों
इस
रुक
देश
रहे हो?
में रहना
क्यों
होगा.
सिद्धरामैया?
वंदे
अरे
मातरम
आप चुप
कहना
रहिए.
होगा.
I'm not giving any
क्यों कहना
certificate. The
होगा?
reality is
क्या वो संविधान
राहुल
में
गांधी-
लिखा है?
हाँ, कहना
क्या
होगा.
संविधान में
I want to
लिखा
say,
है?
because
क्या
राहुल
संविधान
गांधी,
में
सुन
लिखा
लीजिए,
है? क्या
अगर
वंदे
आप
मातरम
में
कहोगे?
हिम्मत है तो सुनेंगे
Come
आप
on, it
मेरी
was not
बात.
Independence
The
Day or
reality
Republic Day
is
where you
Rahul
had to
Gandhi
only
likened
say you
Indian
have to prove your
judiciary
nationalism.
to Pakistan
Come
judiciary.
on, RSS and
Mani
BJP,
Shankar
stop
Iyer.
giving certificates.
Mr. Khan, will you listen to me?
Stop
Do you think
giving
you will have to stop
certificates
him?
of
I'm not be
nationalism.
speaking over him.
Today it
This
has
man
been, the
has
flavor
no
is such
patience.
that
Maybe
if you
he doesn't
don't
love
stand
India.
for RSS
Maybe he loves Rahul
ideology,
Gandhi too
even
much.
if you are
He
a
will have to
devout
give me my
Hindu,
20
you are an
seconds.
anti-national.
I'll only speak once he's
Stop
done.
this mindset.
The reality
This is a secular
that
country.
Rahul Gandhi
You have all the right.
Abdul Razak
You
Khan,
have all the
judiciary to
right.
Pakistan
Abdul Razak
judiciary.
Khan, is there any response to the questions that Nupur is raising? Because, I don't have a problem if you want to have a slogan in praise of Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, do that. लेकिन बीच में रोक कर to ensure कि भारत माता की जय ना बोला जाए, why should that be allowed? And then at the same point you want to tell me that the Congress party is a better Hindu party than any other party? What kind of confusion is that?
Because
Republic
Navjot
Day or
Singh
Independence
Sidhu.
Day, you keep
Let
playing the
Nupur-
devotional
let Nupur
songs.
please complete her
Once
point.
the program
Puppy to
starts,
Bajwa.
you stop the
And
devotional song.
because
That is
because
not like you are
Navjot
giving
Singh
importance
Sidhu,
to
a
that
Congress
program.
leader, wants
More
to
over the
hug
country.
the Pakistani
It is
army
not like
chief,
you are giving
while
importance to
Sandeep
the
Dixit,
program.
another
More
Congress
over the
leader,
country.
wants to call the Indian
We
army
believe in
chief a Kali
nationalism, but
Gunda.
not
Because
in an
Mani
election
Shankar Iyer
campaign.
wants
Come
to go
on.
with a begging bowl
This
to
is absolutely
Pakistan
a wrong
and
concept.
ask Pakistan
You have misunderstood the
removing
election
India's
campaign.
democratically elected prime minister. He
Arre
wants
kya?
to threaten an Indian constitutional body and post by seeking Pakistani help. That's
You are
the
equating a
fraudulent
human
narrative
being
of the
with the law
Congress
by
party.
saying Har Har Modi.
Because Rahul
That is
Gandhi
okay with
wants
you?
to liken the
Is that
Indian
okay with
judiciary
you?
to Pakistani judiciary.
They are in
He
public
says that
domain.
Indian judiciary is as bad as Pakistani judiciary.
Deepti, the
What
honest
gives
thing is
Rahul Gandhi
BJP has
the right
already
to do
given
so?
up.
And Professor Vashti, you speak on your
BJP has
tension.
already given up.
Professor Vashti, don't
This is
show
the
your
handiwork of the
intolerance.
dirty tricks
Professor
department of
Vashti,
BJP.
You are anti-India.
Their social
Your
media
party is
army.
anti-India.
The
Don't show
social
your
media which
intolerance
is
on
just
television.
spreading this.
We are not anti-India, madam.
sorry.
Nupur, everybody knows you are shouting because everybody knows that in this country not a single document exists We suggest that RSS or Hindu Mahasabha were fought for India's independence struggle. You were siding with the Britishers and were saying, British Maharani Jindabad, we will be loyal to you. Please leave me from the
But
jail.
one second. Let's not
Even
shift the
Bala Saheb
goalpost.
Devras from
One
the
second,
jail said,
Nupur and
India
Dinesh
is
Varshney, one second.
India.
One
He
second.
praised Indira Gandhi.
Okay, one second.
The chief of the RSS.
Take a breath. Dinesh Varshney, Nupur, one second. Let me get in Gulrez and also Dr. S.K. Datta, who join us now in our
Nupur, aap
studios.
dekh lo na
One second,
document,
Nupur,
Nupur,
you've
aap
made
dekho
your
document
point.
jaake,
Let's see if the opposition has an answer to that.
Better
But
aap
first to
document
Gulrez, the Congress says कि हो सकता है वीडियो फेक हो.
I'm sorry, don't speak
And
on
why such a problem they say? तो क्या हुआ अगर राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद, सोनिया गांधी जिंदाबाद बोला? What is the real problem, Gulrez?
आज से आप आज से
Okay,
मोदी को
Gulrez.
मत बोलना।
Gulrez.
आज से आप बोल दो कि बीजेपी की रैली में हर हर मोदी नहीं बोलेंगे, मोदी नहीं
One
बोलेंगे।
second.
बोलोगे भारत
Dinesh
माता
Varshney,
की जय,
let's listen into Gulrez. He hasn't
नोटबंदी
spoken
जिंदाबाद,
yet.
जोर के चिल्लाओ नोटबंदी जिंदाबाद। नोटबंदी जिंदाबाद बोल दो ना एक बार जनता के सामने जाके। बोलो पेट्रोल डीजल के ऊंचे दाम जिंदाबाद, जोर के बोल के दिखाओ गुलरेज जी। पता लग जाएगा जनता क्या कर रही है मध्य प्रदेश में आपके साथ। एक बार उज्जैन में ही सड़कों पे बोल के दिखा दो नोटबंदी जिंदाबाद, पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम ऊंचे जिंदाबाद, महंगाई जिंदाबाद, बेरोजगारी जिंदाबाद, जीएसटी का गलत इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जिंदाबाद। बोलो एक बार जोर के जरा, बाजार में जाके मध्य प्रदेश के पता लग जाएगा। अरे बोलो ना, बोलो एक बार।
What the Karyakartas do, they do what is the idea of their supreme leader. And
अरे आपके गुजरात के लीडर क्या बोले थे गुजरात के चुनाव में, जरा एक बार बोल दो वहां जाके।
will shy away to say
वाला स्लोगन वहां लगा के दिखा दो ना मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, राजस्थान में एक बार। मैं तो टेलीविजन पर वो स्लोगन नहीं बोल सकता, मैं तो अपनी जुबान गंदी नहीं कर सकता।
एक second, Dinesh, we'll not take it to those levels. The idea is very simple. The story is very limited right now. We are just questioning the Congress party, Dinesh, and also Vikas. You can come in and Mr. Khan already has made that
When we
point.
caution the Congress party, then caution will be arising for other political
Oh
parties
yes,
also.
everyone will be questioned. Everyone will be questioned. Everyone will be questioned.
Can I add something here?
One second. But it's not just.
Before I come
No, one
to the
second. One second.
Before
I think Dinesh, this is one story, Dinesh, that is picking up. One second, Dr. Datta, 1 second. This story is picking up a lot of traction because people today want to know whether Rahul Gandhi has an opinion on that video or not. Does Rahul Gandhi support this? Is this not psychophancy at the best levels? Because suddenly Bharat Mata ki jai nahi bolna hai, sirf Sonia Gandhi zindabad, Rahul Gandhi zindabad bolna hai. What are the compulsions here, Dr. Datta?
See, Deepti, let's come to the facts in a very clear-cut way. I remember when the Karnataka elections were at its peak.
Yes.
In a rally at Belgavi of the Congress party, there were slogans of Pakistan Zindabad together with the flag of Congress party and the Pakistan national flag. You know, that time also there was a lot of controversy about it. I have no problems if the foot soldiers of the Congress want to, sing pageants of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. There is no problem in that. But they should be patriotic enough to, stand up when the slogan of Vande Mataram or Jai Hind or Bharat Mata is going on, or they should participate in it. The constitution of this country, the preamble of this country makes it mandatory for everyone to accept the national flag, the national song and the national anthem. One has to stand up in respect and give pageants to the national song as well as to the national anthem
Dr.
and
Datta,
sing it.
Dr. Datta, we are not even going there. The debate is not about whether this should be mandatory or not. Abdul Razak Khan, the debate is very limited, and then Vikas can also come in. The debate is about the Congress party that during elections will realize it's important to prove that you're nationalist. It's important to prove that you are suddenly more Hindu than perhaps the other parties in the fray. Because the idea is politics. The idea is convenience. Abdul
Ajay,
Razak Khan,
Dipti,
that is
Dipti,
what
Ajay,
should bother
Dipti,
the
I
voter
just-
today.
Dipti,
Abdul Razak Khan.
I just
Abdul
needed
Razak Khan,
10
please.
seconds.
Dipti,
Just 10
let me
seconds
assure
more.
you
Okay, very
what
good.
Congress
Dr.
is
Datta
actually
said is
suffering
absolutely
from,
wrong.
you know, it's suffering from a kind of a cloned Hindutva imitation. It is suffering from an imitation of a Hindutva,
Sir,
which
BJP
it doesn't know
has
how to
already
go ahead.
given up
So
the
why-
fight.
why-
60 years,
Abdul
the
Razak Khan.
ideology
BJP
of
is not
Congress
in the
was
fray
based
at all.
on topi. All
In
of a sudden,
Rajasthan,
it
you
wants
have
to do
already given up the
parikrama
fight.
of Hindutva, and
Now
that's the
elections
reason
will
it
be
is
based
So
on
Abdul Razak
Hindutva
Khan.
to imitate
and
the
Bharat
proper
Mata ki
And
jai.
you know, Abdul Razak
Why
Khan,
don't
Abdul
you
Razak
talk
Khan,
about
you know, then
development?
people will say कि अगर मेरे पास original है, why should I go for a copy? Because the Congress is not even a good copy right now.
It is a duplicate.
Deepthi, election should be based on what Vasundhara Raje's government has done all these years. It should not be based on all these stories.
What is your
You
party
cannot
doing
actually
about
go ahead
it?
So
and
this
blame
is not important.
What
somebody's
is your party
nationalism,
doing about it?
Whether he
No, no,
shouts
no.
Vande
Like, have you
Mataram or
guys
no.
ever spoken?
Whether he shouts
And
So
Vande
Abdul
Abdul
Razak
Mataram,
Khan,
all that
Abdul
yes or
Razak
no?
Khan, one second. Because you've raised that point. Abdul Razak Khan, I agree with you. I am 1000% with you. We should raise questions on every government, on every incumbent government. But tell me something. Do you actually are with a party then that will go temple hopping, that will decide to do a Bharat Mata ki Jai when they're in a particular constituency, but the moment they realize कि उस slogan से उनको फायदा नहीं आएगा, they will start saying Sonia Gandhi Zindabad, Rahul Gandhi Zindabad. Is that not hypocrisy?
Deepthi, nationalism is what that lies in your heart.
Say yes
When
or
India
no.
has won, we
Only
take
a
out
yes or no,
rallies.
Abdul Razak
When
Khan.
there
The question is
National
not
Day
difficult.
celebration, Independence Day,
Mr.
Republic
Rahul
Day,
Gandhi, I
that is
remember
what
very
lies
well.
in the heart.
In one of the
During
public
election,
meetings
if you
during
shout
the
your
time of
leader's
Karnataka
name,
election,
that is not
he had cut
anti-national.
short Vande Mataram.
It is
When
not
Vande Mataram was
anti-national if
being
you shout your
sung,
leader's
Mr.
name.
Rahul Gandhi had cut
It is
short
election
from the
campaign.
podium
It is
himself.
definitely
That itself
dead.
shows
Modi
where the
ji,
allegiance
Mr.
of Rahul Gandhi lies.
So is that
Rahul
nationalism?
Gandhi is more fascinated about Rome. He's not fascinated about New Delhi. He's not fascinated about Bharat Mata ki Jai. He was the same person who went and
अरे बीजेपी मिनिस्टर walked off when national anthem was going on. Dr. Datta joined the party just for BJP, of the BJP, by the BJP. When national anthem was going on,
And I don't want to
BJP
talk about you
minister
guys.
walked off.
You guys have
When national
spoken
anthem was
about
going on,
India being a
BJP
nation
governor
of
walked off.
nationalities.
The governor
You
of
have
Karnataka walked off.
1939
BJP minister
resolution.
walked off.
1939
They have never
resolutions of the
respected
CPI
the national
had
anthem
commended
and
about
tricolor
India being
till
a nation
2008,
of
till
22
2004. For
You
60
guys have
years,
said,
BJP RSS did not recognize the
You guys
Constitution
had
of India,
boycotted Quit India
tricolor, and
You are
national
talking
anthem.
Okay, gentlemen.
Don't lie for BJP.
One second.
Don't lie. Don't
You
be
guys have
hypocritic for
always
BJP.
been
Dr. Datta.
Narar Modi,
Right from the day.
Narar
Dr.
Modi.
Datta, Dr.
Now
Datta
the
Dinesh
petrol
Washne.
Modi,
One second.
petrol Gargar,
One second.
diesel Gargar.
One second. You know, everyone will be asked questions. People will be asked difficult questions, and then this is what netas do. Do remember, viewers, that for the longest time, you are looking at the Congress party, which is confused whenever it comes to symbols of nationalism. Nupur, we've run out of time. But this is a conversation that Republic will continue to have, I think, during the course of these elections, because we'll have a lot more videos coming in, lot more images coming in, and let the voters then decide. How genuine is a party? Do they use symbols of national pride only for convenience? Thank you to all of you. Back on the other side with lots more.
मेरे गले पे छुरी भी रख देंगे तो नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन